Hey guys, today we're going to check out this house here in Nampa, Idaho. I'll walk you through it and you can let me know what you think at the end. Should be a good time. All right, let's go. Now, this house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's a little over 3,000 square foot, so it's quite a large home. And in the main room, you'll see here in a moment, it's got 20-foot high ceilings, which is quite impressive. Then the rest of the house is about 9-foot ceilings. So let's look around a little bit. We'll start in the office here to the left, and we'll go from there. We'll be walking into the great room now, or the family room. This is with the high ceilings that you can see here. The junior suite is down that hallway here. Let's go in there now. Off to the left here. This is the smaller of the two suites. Still downstairs, but it does have its own bathroom. It's a little bit smaller than the master, as you'll see here in a moment. We'll take a peek, and we'll head up to the master here in a moment. If you're a fan of open floor plans like I am, you might like this house. As you can see, the kitchen is a good size, but it's wide open to both the dining area and the living room. You can keep an eye and interact with the whole family as you prepare a meal. And then it's just a quick shot to go straight up the stairs whenever you're ready to do that. At the top of the stairs, first thing to the right would be the laundry room, and then one bedroom. A little bit further down the hallway would be the second bedroom. And then around the corner would be to a bonus room, all of which overlooks the family room. This would be one of the two smaller bedrooms. Both bedrooms look out over the street. And walking down the hallway will take us straight into the bonus room. We walk out of the bonus room. The one bathroom is to the right there. That is a bedroom we just walked by. Approaching on the right would be the second bedroom. It's one of the two smaller bedrooms. This door all the way at the end of the hallway would be the laundry room. We're going to skip that and we're going to step into the bedroom here, which is currently being used as a nursery for the baby. Alright, we're heading into the primary suite now. It's a good sized room. The door on the right will lead into a walk-through bathroom with a nice big bathtub, a walk-in shower, and on the other side of that would be the closet. All right, and then we pop back down into the kitchen, kind of walk off to our right back into the living room. I hope you enjoyed the house. If you have any questions about it, certainly go out to my website at showmeidaho.net or just shoot me a message on here. Be happy to talk to you about it or any other houses in the area. If you're thinking about relocating in Idaho, I'd love to help you out with that or just answer some questions. So I'd love to hear from you. Take one more peek inside the office here. out to the front yard here in this beautiful spring Idaho weather. It's only about 50 degrees today. This time of year in Idaho, the weather can be hit and miss. Today we have a beautiful sunny day, but it's a little bit windy. Well, thanks for tagging along with me today. Take care of yourself, God bless, and hopefully I'll see you soon.